Hey, this is Jason, owner of Taken Law, and I'm in a bunch of landlord groups for Illinois, and I see these questions sometimes, and people chime in, and that's fine. From my perspective, though, if you can read it quick enough for this video, that's great. But basically, the tenant's violating the lease in a few different ways, it sounds like, and this landlord doesn't know what to do. So what I would do if I was advising this person is I would send them a notice to quit. In Illinois, it's a 10-day notice to quit, and it says, stop what you're doing or I'm going to kick you out. And then it outlines the lease provisions which the tenant is violating, and even sometimes it'll tell you what you can do to cure it or fix it. It's always best to get in writing what is being violated, because what could happen over time if you let it slide is you will be waiving that argument at court, right? So if your tenant's violating the lease and and there's two sides, there's different opinions about this, whatever. The argument on the defendant side would of course be that there was a knowing waiver of this requirement and that it was no longer part of the lease. Obviously, the plaintiff and the landlord would have different arguments, but point being is that you should always, always, always enforce your agreements with your tenants. Don't let it slide, because if you let that slide, other stuff's going to slide. Then rent's late, and then rent's later. So you get the picture. Enforce your agreement. Send a 10-day notice to quit here. Just put it in writing. Hey, you're violating the lease. Stop it. I'm going to kick you out. They should stop it, and if it's not even legal activity, that's even more of a problem. So if you have any questions, landlord-tenant law related, or estate planning or probate, my number is in the bio. I'll post more of these as I see them, but this is my opinion on this situation. See ya.